I just really love spring. I love hearing the chickadees calling again. I love when the snow starts to melt. And I really love making maple syrup. So if we're going to make maple syrup, first we need to find the right trees. Maple trees have what we call opposite branches. That means their branches reach out to the sides like your arms. Reach your arms out. Yeah, so this one has a branch in this side and that side, just like your arms. But this one isn't a maple tree because it's got bark that's shaped like a diamond. Can you find a diamond on the bark? Other trees that don't have opposite branching have alternate branching. So branch on this side, and then one on that side, and then one on this side again. So this tree has alternate branching. It's not a maple tree. Also, when I look at its bark, I know that it's not a maple tree. Ooh, look at this tree. The branches are opposite. The bark is shaggy and flaky like maple syrup bark. And if you look closely, you can see that somebody was pecking holes in a straight line on the bark of this tree. Who could it be? Yes, this yellow-bellied sapsucker. Can you imagine pecking some holes in the tree and then coming back to find your food later? Now, if we're going to tap a tree, we're going to need some tools. We'll need this brace and bit to make a hole in the tree. Then we'll need a spout. It's called a spile. That rhymes with smile. We'll need a blue bag to catch the sap and this collar and holder to hold that bag in place. Now I'm looking for just the perfect spot on our tree to make a hole. I'm going to drill into this tree at an upward angle. I don't want to drill too deep because the sap is in the layer that's just underneath the bark. When I get a little more than an inch or two into the tree, take a close look. Can you see the sap coming out? Yay! Now it's time to tap in that spile, so it's just the perfect size for the hole. I'm going to use this stick to tap it in. Oh, there it comes. And if you look closely again, you can see the sap starting to come out the spout or the spile. Drip, drip. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. It looks clear like water, but it tastes just a little bit sweet. So in order to catch this, put the bag onto the collar. Like so. Slide this on here.
Sweet.
Pull in the back. Stand right on here. After a couple days, we'll collect more and more sap until we have enough to make a big fire and boil and boil and boil it. We want all the water to evaporate, so all that's left is the sweet sugar. Do you see how it's more brown now? A lot of the water is gone. We'll boil it just a little bit more. Now it's less runny than it used to be. It's almost syrup. Almost ready for us to pour on some pancakes and chow down. Oh yeah. There's just one more thing we forgot. We need to say thank you to this maple tree, and really to all the maple trees, for giving us the sweet syrup that we eat. So next time you eat syrup on your pancakes or waffles, give a tree a big ol' hug and tell it thank you.